asuntoskeittiö Irja.
Yesterday, it's that 90 that's not really this case. I think it's very beautiful too.
Yeah.
The doors especially.
Yeah.
That's also our special here.
Mm.
It's here on Kasarmikatu, Kasarmikatu 20, and that's like I say, the only one with an elevator
Yeah.
in this residential building here. And it's only in Helsinki, Helsinki has 4 sources on it, but it's close to Kartikaupungin.
Yeah.
6 floors here was built in 1912 actually.
Yeah.
Or it's 1999, but where's the serial number here? I cannot see it.
Stress.
What was the manufacturer before it?
Mm.
Before Evergreen was actually. We don't see it.
Yeah.
It's weird. But
Yeah.
I would like to know.
Yeah.
Could be grandparents maybe.
Here it's Graham Brothers, AF1359, or not AF, just 1359.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That's a grandparents originally.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Shall we take 2 rights or?
Yes.
Yeah. In 1999, they prolonged it to the 6th floor.
Yeah.
You can see it here. Oh, HIK says this standard is not 96.
Yeah. It's M series. Yeah.
It's here. Oh yeah, and green.
Yeah.
Very interesting elevator. I'd like to see more of the door. So, yeah. This kind of panel.
Yeah.
So actually, it's a very interesting elevator.
Yeah.
But originally, it's from 1912, and it's one of Helsinki's oldest ones.
Yeah.
But the oldest is from 1907, this is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's getting Grand Central. There it is.
Yeah.
Or it's the Landrosgatan, that's 1907, but 1908 is Scandic Grand Central.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but also Camp Hotel that was from 1891.
Yeah.
So that was the very first one.
Yeah.
But it lasted until 1965.
Mm. Niissä tiittaakin väiskytää, että me eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
Mm-hmm. It would have been so strange if the store would have received an Evergreen combatant, but it could have had it also.
Yeah.
It would have been very rare for this type of door.
Yeah.
It's not out at earlier time.
Yeah.
Or maybe summer now.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's